also think it stops it from kind of looking a little bit fluffy as well, and it kind of tames it a little bit more. So I always think that's a good little trick. Hi, I'm Grace, and I'm going to show you today how I got these perfect mermaid waves. First up is all about the prep. Give your hair a good brush through, and of course, treat your hair with protection. So first off, I'm using the Beauty Works 10-in-1 Miracle Spray. I absolutely love this product. It's really kept my hair so healthy, especially being very, very blonde. I would definitely recommend this product. It's so good. So my next step after I've protected all my hair would just be to brush through it. So this is just to make sure that it's silky smooth and, you know, it's got no knots in it. I will be using the Mark Hill Pick and Mix Mermaid Waver, which is just gonna create a really soft mermaid wave hair, especially being on holiday. I absolutely love this look. So this is what I've chosen to use today. So my next step is to just grab a claw clip. I'm using this little one. I always just section off my hair just to make it a little bit easier for myself and just so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So I will always just pick up little pieces like this. It's got 3 barrels on, which kind of creates that mermaid effect. So I would hold this on like each little piece of hair, probably for like 5 seconds. I think you could also style this in, you know, to dress it up in evening wear as well. As much as I love wearing this kind of styled hair in a bikini, I think you could wear this with a gorgeous long dress or maybe a 2-piece, like a skirt and a top, and yeah, wear this to dinner as well. I just think it's the perfect overall look. So I will always just section the next piece. So I've just taken the clip off and then just like popped this in my fringe. So this is my first time actually using this Mark Hill wand, but I'm so impressed. It heated up so quickly. It's got an amazing handle to hold on to, so you've got a lot of room for your hands. Obviously, the barrels get very hot, so we need to be careful that we don't burn ourselves. So it's really easy to hold, really easy to use, and the curls are absolutely amazing. It really hasn't taken me long to do one half of my head, which I know sometimes it can do, so I'm really impressed. I never actually knew Boots stocked these products, but I will definitely be going shopping and buying these once I'm out of the villa. Okay, and we're finished. Let's get into adding the products to the finished look. So once you've finished styling the hair, let it cool down for at least 5 minutes and then make sure you set it with hairspray. This is the Boots Extra Firm Hold Hairspray. So when I do this, I will just make sure I spray this all over the hair just to lock in the curls. And then I literally just will spray from the top to the bottom. I will always add quite a lot of hairspray to this look just to kind of like lock in the curls and hold it. Okay, so that's one side done. I also think it stops it from kind of looking a little bit fluffy as well, and it kind of tames it a little bit more. So I always think that's a good little trick. So I'm using the Keratis oil. I'll pump the oil, maybe like 2 or 3, just into my hand, and then rub this in and kind of just put it through the full head of hair. Yeah, just a few pumps of oil is really that easy to finish the look off. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to Boots YouTube channel.